Aleppo.
From Syria, Aleppo. Really?
Yes.
What do you do here? How you managed to come?
I come from my group Middle East, from Egypt and Syria and Lebanon, and we are Salesian group, Don Bosco Salesian, Middle East. We came to be here with the people.
Pani jest z Syrii, z Aleppo. Przyjechała tutaj z grupą salezjańską. Pewnie jednego z tych stowarzyszeń, które zajmuje się pomocą także młodzieży w tych miejscach. Is it a lot of people from Aleppo here?
There's 5 people from Aleppo. Yes, we came. Yes.
When you left Aleppo, it's long time or?
Yes, we now live in Aleppo.
Living Aleppo.
Yes.
And how is the situation in Aleppo right now?
You know.
I know.
How,
But you,
like you see.
You know better.
Yes, you have to just smile and be happy. What can we do?
Musimy być szczęśliwi i się uśmiechać. Are you happy here?
Yes, of course I'm happy, of course. To see these people, all of these people, it's so good thing.
And we are going back to Aleppo from here?
Yes, of course. We're gonna go to visit Italia first, 3 days, then we go to Aleppo.
In Aleppo right now you can live on your own. I mean, it's quite safe or it's...
It's not safe, no, it's not safe. But we are living, we don't have another choice, you know. Just, I don't know, pray for us.
We
Yes.
will.
Yes.
Any other help we can give?
Just pray for us. And thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Grupa z Aleppo, Syryjczycy.